Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here. I'm a Gel Moment independent distributor. How is everybody doing today? So today I thought I'd do something a little bit fun with some chromes. I have Underwater Haze, Center Stage, Daydreamer, and Morning Glory here, and I'm going to put these chromes on top. And then after that, I'm going to put a little bit of Clearly Frisky on, but just using a dotting tool. So it's going to create chrome raindrops, sort of, more like chrome polka dots. So let's get right to it. Now, in order for the chromes to stick to your nail polish, you do need to have a fresh coat of polish on here. So these are all fresh coats of polish, and I'm just going to apply the chromes first. A little tip for you, if you find that your holographic chromes are not sticking very well, try using your finger. I find that it works a lot better. Okay, now that's all done, let's grab our Clearly Frisky. I also have a dotting tool here. It has a large end on here and a smaller end, because I'm going to do a couple different sized drops. Now don't worry about the chrome that's all over the skin. That's going to be wiped off soon. So now just put some random dots on your nail. Now what we want to do is give this a full cure in the lamp. Now for the next step, we will take a cleanser pad, and what we're going to do is actually wipe all the chrome that is on your nail. And what's going to stay behind is the chrome that is underneath the Clearly Frisky, because that will not come off because it's sealed. So just give your nails a good scrub. There you go. What a fun design. Quick and easy to do. And I really like it. And you know what? You can use whatever color combinations that you want. I stuck with the purple chrome and purple polish, blue chrome and blue polish, and so on and so forth. But have fun with it and use the blue with purple or blue with orange. Anything, whatever your heart desires. Thanks so much for tuning in, and thank you so much. And if you like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.